What up, everybody? InstructaBeats back again here with our magic square lesson. Today we're talking about what are they, right? What is this magic? Check out our objective for today's lesson. Today I will be able to understand what a magic square is, which leads us to our question, right? What is it? A magic square is an array of numbers where the sum of the numbers in each row, column, and diagonal are the same. They can come in any size array, but typically the one you see the most is a 3 by 3 array. Okay, and so what we mean by the sums of the numbers in each row, column, and diagonals are the same is if you add up the three numbers that make up a row, and you add up these three numbers, you add up these three numbers, they should all equal the same thing. So in fact, 2 plus 7 plus 6 would be 15. Okay, if you add up 9 plus 5 plus 1, that's also 15. If you add up 4 plus 3 plus 8, that is also 15. If you add vertically, okay, if you add the columns, 2 plus 9 plus 4 would be 15. 7 plus 5 plus 3 would be 15. 6 plus 1 plus 8 would be 15. And then also the two diagonals also equal 15 when you add them together. So that's why it is like magic. Another typical example of a magic square would be the 5 by 5 array. So obviously this isn't going to equal 15, but if you add up each row, all 5 rows, all 5 columns, and the two diagonals will give you the same sum when you add them up. So that's what a magic square is. That's why it is so magical. But what are the benefits of doing a magic square? Why, if you're a teacher, would you want to assign a magic square? Why, if you are a student, would you want to do a magic square? Or if you're just anybody, why would you want to do a magic square? So magic squares build mathematical thinking, okay? And I'll show you how they do that in a second, right? So here's our typical magic square. It's the exact same 3 by 3 one we just looked at. You can introduce and reinforce algebraic thinking as you work on these magic squares. It's a great way to deepen an understanding of a topic, and it promotes flexible thinking. All right, so what do you mean, right? I have all these numbers. I know they all equal to 15. But what happens when you start taking out pieces? So now you don't have the whole magic square, right? You just have a couple pieces, and now you have to find the rest of them, right? So you're building mathematical thinking, and you can increase the rigor of the thinking that you're doing by giving your students or solving a magic square with less and less numbers given to you, right? Now, based on these numbers that I have given to you, even though I know I just showed you this, you would be able to figure out what these missing pieces are. And the great thing is you can make these decimal numbers, you can make them fractions, right? And you can also get into negative numbers with these, right? This is an awesome tool to do all of these things we just talked about. So if you are a teacher and you're looking to create some magic squares for your students to work on, stop this video, check out our teacher DIY building magic squares using our Google Doc that we've set up to help you do that. If you want to learn how to solve magic squares when you're missing pieces, stop the video and check out our magic squares, how to solve them lesson. This is what a magic square is. It's awesome, one of our favorite things to do with our students. And we hope you'll check out those other lessons that we just talked about. Check out our songs and all the rest of the video lessons and resources we have. Again, thank you so much. InstructaBeats, out.